Hey, it is Victoria, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how I manifested everything that I've wanted up to this point.
여보세요. 그냥 핸드폰 보고 있었지.
Alright guys, so just to give you guys a little back history on me, I have been practicing manifestation and visualizing and meditation for years, maybe like 10 years. And everything that I've ever wanted, from YouTube, starting my YouTube channel, being successful on YouTube, becoming an entrepreneur, opening a store, anything you can think of, even down to my son and his name, has come into fruition from proper manifestation. And I say proper manifestation because in order to do these things, a lot of times I find that people get frustrated because they are visualizing, but they're not getting what they want from visualizing. The reason why that is happening is because oftentimes people are visualizing, but it's more so fantasizing. So you can fantasize all day. Like, you can go on Instagram and see other people and say, oh, I want that. I would really love to have that. So let me close my eyes and kind of visualize that for a second. That's one thing, fantasizing, but manifesting is going to require more than that. And what I mean by that is, excuse me, what I mean by that is when you are trying to manifest something, you do want to go deep within yourself. So say you desire something, say you desire, let's just say, a Chanel bag. And so you have the Chanel bag in your mind. And so what you want to do is you really want to hone in on it, and you want to think about how you feel when you have the Chanel bag. And that's what I mean about going a little bit deeper. Not just visualizing the bag, but think about how you would feel with the bag. Go to the store and touch the bag. Run your fingers across the bag and claim it. A lot of people live in a space of, I want this, I wish I had this. And then when they go to visualize, when they go to manifest, they're visualizing and their mindset is in a place of I want. But in order to manifest, you have to come from a mindset of I have. So when you are thinking I have this, the universe will bring that to you, bring more and more of that to you. So if you think to yourself, I am grateful and happy that I have this. I am so grateful and thankful that I have this. Even if you don't have it yet, visualize it and feel that you do. And by the law of attraction, those things will come to you. There's a saying that I really love, and it goes, visualize yourself as your highest self and then show up as her. And I really love that saying because not only is it requiring you to visualize this person, but it's also requiring you to put in the work, which is to show up as her. So when you are manifesting, you have to act as if you already have these things that you want. You have to act as if you're already that person that you desire to be. Say, for instance, like myself, I'm single right now and I do want to be in a relationship. So what I do is I have a 2-car garage, and so I park on one side of the garage because in my mind, I'm manifesting that my husband will park on the other side of the garage. Does that make sense? So I have a closet, obviously, and in that closet I have 2 rows. So what I like to do is I put my clothes on one side and I leave the other side empty for my husband that I am manifesting into my life. So that is how you truly manifest. If you guys want me to do more videos on this, like a step-by-step tutorial on how to manifest, I would love to do that for you. Just leave in the comment section if you are interested, because this process truly does work. I've just been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube, but it was just missing a couple of components, and I just wanted to add in because I do see a lot of people getting frustrated because they are visualizing, they are fantasizing, but they're not putting in the actual work that goes along with it. So I just wanted to come on here and have this conversation with you guys, because you can do it as well. And I don't want you guys to get discouraged. Instead of being in a place of I want, come from a place of I have, and come from a place of gratitude and thankfulness. And also don't forget to meditate. So when you meditate, that's just when you're sitting in silence, and that's when God is talking to you. And then after you meditate, then go ahead and visualize and begin your manifesting. Let me tell you guys how much this has worked for me in my life. Well, let me just give you the most recent example, actually, so I won't take up all of your time. But recently, my fiance and I split. And when we split, I did not have enough money to purchase a house. Not nearly, not the house that I wanted, I should say. So what I did is I had stopped meditating and I had stopped visualizing and manifesting for a while, because I was tending to my son who had some medical issues. But when I got to my mother's house, I had to move back in with my mother. I started to heavily visualize and manifest and meditate, and I left that talked about it here in this video. You guys should go and check it out, the video on how I made $80,000 in 3 months. And what I did is I kept visualizing and manifesting this $100,000. And when you're manifesting, you don't have to worry about where is this going to come from, how is this going to happen, how is it all going to work out. Your only job is to visualize, manifest, and really feel how you would feel if you were to have these things in the universe, and God will work out the rest for you. So as I was staying there with my mom for those 2 years, I was able to open a store, and I went from making 5 figures to 6 figures within like the first 3 months. And I was able to build a house because I stayed very focused on my goal, and I visualized nightly, I manifested nightly, and I also meditated nightly. And I think that's something that people leave out in regards to manifesting. I think it's just as important to meditate as well. So if you guys have any questions for me, if you want a step-by-step tutorial on everything that I do in order to create and manifest this dream life of mine, I mean, I have the car that I want, I have the house that I want, I have the freaking cat that I want, and I want you all to win. Like, I've said that on this channel before, that is never going to change here on this channel. So I want to walk you guys through this process. If you're new to this, I would love to walk you through, because it's all about the law of attraction and the energy that you're putting out there. You really truly can be whatever it is that you set your mind to, but you have to set your mind to it, and you have to put in the work. Let me know if you guys want to talk about it more. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, don't forget to go to my Instagram page. It's at @a_beauty_beast, and please follow me there. DM me, because I will respond back as soon as I get to it. If you have any questions that you want to ask me personally, hop right on Instagram, send me a DM, and we can become friends right there. And I'll see you guys in the next video.